Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing the Splash Resort and Condos West 2. It's a none-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 2 swimming pools, beachfront, free parking and a free Wi-Fi. The Splash Resort and Condos West 2 is located on the beachfront in Panama City Beach, a few steps from Panama City Beach and a 10-minute walk from Laguna Beach. Located around 2.4 miles from Russell-Fields Pier, the hotel with free Wi-Fi is also 2.7 miles away from Pier Park. Certain rooms at the property include a patio with a pool view. At the hotel, each room has a balcony with a sea view. Complete with a private bathroom equipped with free toiletries. Guest rooms at the Splash Resort and Condos West 2 have a TV and air conditioning, and selected rooms come with a seating area. All guest rooms will provide guests with a dishwasher. Guests at the accommodation will be able to enjoy activities in and around Panama City Beach, like cycling. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.